Hello and welcome to the third annual Traditional Grant Professional Association Spelling Bee. I am here today with contestant Julie Assel, and are you ready for your word?
I am.
Excellent. So your word today is going to be certifications, plural.
Plural. Certifications. Can you use that in a sentence?
I would be happy to. Assel Grant Services trainings help grant professionals earn or maintain their GPC, CGMS, and their CFRE certifications.
Certifications. Certifications.
Bye-bye. Congratulations. You got it correct. And thank you very much for sponsoring Grant Professionals Association.